For the first part of this question, we're going to be looking at conservation of energy, and that energy is being conserved in form of kinetic energy. So the energy that we have been asked to determine in the first part, this is going to be equal to the total kinetic energy minus the kinetic energy possessed by the center of mass. So for us to do this, let's just first of all look into the total kinetic energy. This is actually equal to ma ua squared plus mb u squared divided by the value of 2. So if we make the substitutions, we are looking at a 5.5 multiplied by 5 squared, which gives us a total kinetic energy of 68.75 in units of joules. Now that we have this center, or rather this total kinetic energy, for us to determine this kinetic energy of the center of mass, would need to determine the velocity of the center of mass. Velocity